In this video, we will show you how to do an initial remote installation with the simalube impulse. In our example, we will convert the lubrication on a pillar block from manual to automatic. We use a simalube of 250 mm for this demonstration. The same grease must be used for all pre-fillings. Our grease gun has been filled up in advance. First, we will prepare the pillar block. You have to clean the area around the nipple. Remove the existing nipple. Replace it by a G1/4 female adapter. We use the symmetric rail to choose a suitable connector. In our case, we need the G1 8-inch thread connector. Apply some thread sealant, screw it in and tighten it slightly. Screw on the grease nipple 290.3011 and refill the pillar block with the grease gun. The pillar block is ready. The grease nipple can be removed. The hose must also be pre-filled. For these, we put the quick connector on the hose and then we need our grease nipple again. We pre-fill the hose, avoiding air inclusions. Now we have to prepare the simalube impulse. The nipple G1/4 inch will help to pre-fill the impulse. Screw the pre-fill nipple in. Fill up slowly and gently until the grease comes out. And now the pre-filling is completed. We decided to do a wall mounting. For this, we are using the bracket, 2 magnets and the fixation nipple. We connect the hose with the pillar block by using a quick connector. Tighten it slightly. Connect the other end of the hose and tighten it slightly. Now we prepare impulse and simalube. Write the activation date on the simalube. In our example, we activate the simalube by setting the running time to 3 months. After that, we screw on the impulse. Tighten it slightly. Lubricate the O-ring. Insert the battery pack and screw the prepared simalube onto the impulse. Watch the correct level. The double green flashing indicates the start mode. The status will change to single green flashing after the first complete pumping action. There is no hexagon on older impulse version. If necessary, these can be achieved by screwing on the reduction nipple. To prevent the nipple from loosening, we use a medium strength thread locker.